Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 stuck at fetching account data from platform error code, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is, no matter whatever platform you're on, you can go ahead and just restart the game. So go ahead and close the application, whether you're on PS5, Xbox, PC. Go ahead and close the application and then just simply restart your device. So restart PC, PS5, Xbox, doesn't really matter. Anyways, once you do that, you can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is that if you are on PC and you are having this issue, go ahead and open up Steam. Once Steam is open, go ahead and navigate to Library. From Library, go over to Call of Duty, right click on it. I'm going to use a game I've installed as an example, but anyways, go over to Installed Files, and then go ahead and click on Verify this game's files are installed correctly, and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. And what this basically does is that if you have any corrupt files, this will basically remove that, so this is a good fix as well. There are other methods you guys can do, like simply restarting your Wi-Fi connection. So just unplug your router, unplug the power cord from your router, plug it back in. And you can also use an Ethernet cable instead of a regular wireless connection. And another thing you guys can do is update your drivers as well. And once you're done with all of these things, these guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.